That wire file contains wireframe geometry from Autodesk Alias, the industrial design software behind some of the world's most beautiful car designs. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and work with these wireframe model files. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming, and it features my favorite single WIRE file inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. WIRE files are wireframe model files, created by Autodesk Alias containing curve-based 3D geometry used in automotive and industrial design. They store construction curves, surface boundaries, and wireframe networks that define the skeletal framework of complex freeform surface models. Autodesk Alias WIRE files store 3D curve geometry, including NURBS curves, control points, knot vectors, degree specifications, and curve-on-surface definitions. The wireframe data serves as construction geometry for building Class A freeform surfaces in automotive and product design. If installed, your preferred program for WIRE should be the Autodesk Alias application by Autodesk. Inc. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows won't display parametric or assembly data, so full access depends on dedicated modeling tools. Let's find the winning application. Right-click your WIRE file and select Open With. If Autodesk Alias is there, test it now. If not, grab another application. Testing helps us eliminate common software conflicts. If your WIRE file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Your file is proving to be a real challenge. Let's conduct a series of targeted tests on these common points of system file failure right now. First, opening in Autodesk Alias. Launch Autodesk Alias and import the wire file using File, then Open, or File, then Import. The wireframe geometry displays as 3D curves in the viewport, ready for surface construction operations. Use Alias's surfacing tools to build smooth surfaces over the imported wireframe network. Next, viewing without Alias. Open the wire file in Autodesk VRED, a visualization tool that supports Alias file formats for design review. Alternatively, import into Rhino 3D, which can read various Alias-compatible curve formats for viewing measurement and further modeling work. Finally, converting to standard formats. In Autodesk, Alias export the wireframe data to IGES or STEP format, using File, then Export for use in other CAD applications. EGS format preserves NURBS curve fidelity across platforms. For visualization purposes, export to OBJ or FBX format after creating surfaces from the wireframe. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.